very bad at that.
I know.
Get your bowl in there. Okay.
Bloopers.
No, these are not bloopers. These will be on the... Okay. So, we have blindfolds. And these blindfolds... Hashtag bloopers! These blindfolds are not blindfolds. They are witch's supplies because we don't have any blindfolds. She'll be putting a blanket over her head. She'll be putting a hat on and I'll be putting a hat on. What the challenge is today is, so we have a bunch of ingredients on the side. And then what we're supposed to do is we're going to be blindfolded. We're going to grab those ingredients. And then once there's no more ingredients, then that's when we'll open our blindfolds and then mix it up. Let's get started. Okay, so winter supplies down. No, other way. No, that's okay. I'll put it on for you.
No, I want to put it on.
Okay, all the way down. I'm just making sure nobody's cheating. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's get started.
We can start?
Yeah. Oh my God, I found the clear glue.
Dang it. Where's the other glue?
I found the clear glue, yes! I found that. Stop it! I'm using it. Don't touch me.
I got one of the bottles.
Oh, now okay, fail. Grab what you want.
Hey! That's
This is my pile.
No, that's unfair.
No, I don't get the whole thing. No, stop. This is my pile. Yeet. Okay, here you go. Stop it. Mine.
Hey! Okay,
These are mine because I grabbed
I
it.
guess this isn't a blindfolded slime challenge.
Yeah, I guess it's just take what you want slime challenge.
Hey, that leaves me like nothing.
Yeah,
because you already have slime.
Yeah, you already have.
Yeah, but you have 2 glues. So
Mine are small.
yeah, I only have this.
Yeah, and mine are really small. They really don't do.
I have
this.
this.
Oh, that's nice. I don't care. Let's pour the rest of that in there. No, what the heck? It's only a little. It's not gonna do anything. You're fine.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, did you use my? You meanie.
Yes, take what you want.
No, after shaving cream time.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna like film my shaving cream.
No! I wanted mine to be clear. Well, now it's not. So sucker. I'm mixing mine.
You're mixing it. This is gonna be extra fluffy.
Mine is gonna be super duper.
I'm gonna get
super fluffy.
Where's the activator?
Oh, I don't know.
Nowhere.
Wait, mine is like a light pink.
You're already on activator?
Yes. Oh,
Oh wait,
okay.
oh yeah, we're using our
Somebody
hands.
else, kind of, sort of, open it before you.
Open it.
Okay, fine. Guess like I'm gonna open it.
We literally just bought these and we're ruining them.
Da-na-na.
Can you put some in mine?
Nope.
Oh, you made it slippery.
I don't care.
Michaela, can you put some in mine?
No.
No way, I used 2 hands.
This is no. Try to slide.
You miss her thing.
Mine's pink. Hers is purple.
Yours is bubble.
Mine's
white.
Mine's your glue is at the bottom. Look.
I know.
You have to mix that in.
Mine is called lavender.
I don't care. We have gain over there. Okay, time to work mine on the table, even though it's like terrible right now.
No.
Okay, I'm working mine on the table.
Oh my
No matter
gosh.
what you say.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, put my bowl on top of hers. Or that.
This smells good.
This is
This
beautiful.
tide smells good.
I'm going to ask for this glue because there's like a lot of it.
We really should have got more tide.
I don't care.
You're always sad. Oh my
Thanks a
gosh.
lot.
Look at the mess we made.
Oh god. We're all good.
The gain on the bottom. The tide
We
on
didn't
the
do
bottom.
anything. Mine is so fluffy.
Probably not.
Oh
Oh my god, why did I do that? Oh my god. What the heck? It's gonna drip.
Don't touch your Oh, there's barely any left. Okay, do it.
Okay.
We just went to Peter Piper Pizza Darn had lots of candy, even though we didn't even eat any candy. We're
Well, we
just
had
crazy.
slushy.
Well, yeah, we did have slushy, but she didn't.
by
I
the
don't know why
way-
she's crazy. Oh, no, she's naturally crazy.
One like for this hopeless happy birthday to
Yeah, she's
Banana.
She's hopeless.
This is my B-day.
Or like
No, it's not.
for
Yes,
happy.
it is!
Oh yeah, it is. I forgot the whole reason why I came here.
Yeah, they're only here because it's my B-day, not here to make this video. But then I'm just like, let's go to Target and get some supplies, and then we can make a video. Yeah, look at me now. Yeah, look at me now.
She's
Oh,
hyper. Me and Michaela are just being normal people, and she's like,
oh. Not really you or Michaela. None of us are being normal people. None of us.
We're partying tonight.
Yeah, none of us.
oh my god, this is so cute.
You just got in my hair, I think.
No, I didn't.
No, not you, the other one.
Oh,
I'm trying to take these off and I have like half on, half off.
Mine's
is
not
adorable.
working together.
You added way too
Oh
much
my
time.
gosh.
I know.
How much time did you
I think she was the one who added the whole bottle because like that bottle was pretty big.
I added like half of it.
You see this bottle? You see this bottle?
That was our tiny little bottle of Tide that we decided to get because we're just like, we're not going to be using a lot of glue. It's okay. We only need one. Can you not put that over my head? Can I tell you a secret? I've never gotten slime in my hair before.
What? You've never?
Okay, so I started a timer on the exact same phone that we're using to videotape.
So the reason why I was so like mad is because of the fact that I kind of got the activator all over my phone case, which is kind of bad for a phone. So we had to end the video there.